And woof, going 40, 45.
What's up everybody, your boy Jack here, and today we're talking about the TeamGee H9 Electric Skateboard. At first look, you'll notice this sleek design they've got going, and most importantly is the drop deck. This board is very low to the ground, so it'll provide more stability with a lower center of gravity at higher speeds. And it's got a really nice curve to the deck. You'll notice that the battery is not on the outside of the deck, but inside the deck where it can get damaged, between the 10 layers of Canadian maple and fiberglass. This board is one of the lightest on the market today. A lot of that has contributed to the battery being housed inside the deck to lower the weight. This board only weighs 6.9 kilograms. This board has some crazy speed behind it. It has not one, but two 480 watt brushless motors in the rear wheels. While testing, I easily reached 38 kilometers per hour, and I'm a heavy set dude. Range on this board is fantastic. I took it out and got a whopping 17.3 kilometers on a single 2-hour charge, going up and down hills. Enough range to cover any commute in or outside the city. In all honesty, I love this thing, but don't take my word for it. Go check it out for yourself.